Hi guys, I want to take 5-6 minutes of your time to address a couple of doubts. Like, can you get into the fat burning state without any diet or any kind of workout or any weightlifting, any high intensity workout? Can you get into that thing? Another question is, can you get some benefits of ketones? You know that ketones are something when your body gets the energy from your fat cells, and that fat is converted into ketones. So can you get some benefits of the ketones without strictly following keto diet or Atkins or paleo, whatever diets are there? Without following strictly to those diets, can you get some benefits of the ketones? Another thing is, can you really reduce your calories intake without putting so much of effort on the calculations of your calorie intake, macronutrients, and all those things? So, is there any way? Is there any shortcut way? If you are a beginner, this is the right video for you. So let's see. Yes, the answer to all three things is yes, and there is only one thing: intermittent fasting. So if you follow intermittent fasting, then you really get your body to use some of your fat cells. So how do we do that? What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is in a day you are eating and then you are not eating. Usually what we do, we wake up, we drink tea, then after some time we have breakfast, after some time we will feel hungry, we will eat anything, something, either chips or some fruit, anything. Then we will have lunch, then in the evening time we'll again have tea and snacks, then in night time we will have dinner. So throughout the day, whenever you are awake, there is not even a 1.5 or 2 hours where you are not eating anything. In every hour you will eat something. So we need to reduce that. So now there are so many types of intermittent fastings. We will get into that some other video. I'll cover all the intermittent fasting things, like what are the different types, what are the benefits of different intermittent fasting, how useful it is, what I did. So I lost around 10 kgs in just 2 months, in the month of May, in the month of June. So I lost 10 kgs. Yes, around 3.5 kgs would be water weight, but still, if you see 7 kgs in 2 months, that's impressive, right? And what I did, I just followed some diet plan. I did it myself. I'm sharing with you. And if you are talking about you must have done some exercise, some certain, no, I have not lifted a single weight, single dumbbell. I have not done a single session of HIIT, a single routine of Tabata, nothing. Yes, I did walk, that's it, nothing else. I only walk, and I make sure that I eat properly. So what is this intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is a state of fed and fast in a single day. So in a single day, what I want you guys to adapt is eat 6 or 8 hours a day and be in fasting mode 18 to 16 hours. Since you are beginners, so let's do this way. Let's say have breakfast at around 10 o'clock, then dinner by 6 o'clock. Or if it looks like it's a bit difficult for you, if you will eat at 6 o'clock, you will not be able to sleep. Okay, fine, take the dinner at 8 o'clock, but have your first meal at 12 o'clock. Now, how do you run without food or without tea for this long? See, there are a couple of things. You have to give up something. You have to compromise on something. So there is one option. You can have a black tea. You can add MCT oil in that, a butter in that, a ghee, little bit of ghee in that. So those fats, not oil, no those things. Only these kind of oils. Like now, and eat food only in the 8 hours or 6 hours. Start with the 8 hours. Eat it something. You eat something at 12 o'clock. Then eat maximum at 4 o'clock. Then eat at 8 o'clock. Now, if you can reduce this time frame again more, say just 6 hours, then you will get more benefits. So this is something where the fat is going to burn. Now, as I told, can we get some benefits of ketones? Yes, whenever the fat is burned, that means you are getting benefits of ketones. Now I want you to do a slight change in your dieting. Just try to add a little bit more fat and remove a little bit of carb. Now how can you remove carb? See, there are so many things: chapati, rice, dal, then there is bread, then there are fried items which we fry in those ghees, potatoes. There are so many things, street foods like samosa, kachori, and all those things. Forget all those things for a while. Then remove carb, reduce carb, increase fat. Now, what fat I'm talking about? I'm talking about butter. You eat roti, instead of 2 roti, eat 1 roti, and add ghee on it or makhan on it. Add cheese, whatever you are eating, add cheese on it. Don't eat sandwich. I'm not talking about eating a sandwich. Make a simple omelette for 2-3 eggs in the morning or in the breakfast time or in the lunch time. Just take 3 eggs or 4 eggs. Make it as heavy as you want. Take it 4 eggs. Make an omelette. Put a couple of cheese slices into it and eat it. Definitely, it will be difficult for a few days, a couple of days, not more than a couple of days. It will be difficult for just 2 days. After that, it will be fine. Now, can you? The last question was, can you reduce your calorie intake without putting so much of effort? See, you are not putting any efforts right now. You are just putting a little bit of effort. You are reducing carbs. You are increasing fats. Right? And the best thing is you are eating only in the 6 hours or 8 hours window. So if you have eaten right now, after 3 hours, you will not be that much hungry. When you span your eating window for the 12 hours, you are going to be hungry as hell. Like, even if you are not hungry, you will chew something. You will be eating something. Now, if you are controlling yourself, you are eating only 3 times in an 8 hours window and 2 times in a 6 hours window. So that definitely your calorie intake is going to come down. Now, this is a beginner's guide. Once you get started, after that you can increase it. After that you can do more calculations. Even I'm going to share. I'm going to post another videos to let you guys know what are the things we should consume, what are the things we should not consume. So I am going to share all those things with you. Till then, bye bye.